The overall greenhouse gas emission of the US is larger than the combined of China and Russia. So if you think out the size of our territory and then the rest of the world, we are using a lot of energy. Buildings consume over 40% of energy in the US. It significantly contributes to greenhouse gas emission. It also consumes a lot of water and resources such as materials. So one day we'll reach a point we have limited resource. It's going to hurt our life and business. So we have to be prepared early for a more sustainable future. You have to think that our life has been changing. Our building is getting more efficient. In the meantime, our consumption keeps going up. You used to have very limited plug loads, for example, in your house or in office. Now everybody has large LCD screens and we are all wired. We need internet, we need data center. Everything is in the cloud today. So we need to keep up with that. So the technology keeps evolving very fast. If building doesn't do anything, we'll be far behind the rest of the industry. I have been leading the development of National Energy Efficiency Reading System and tool for commercial buildings. So there is no national standard for consistently evaluating the building design and energy-related systems. For example, think about the miles per gallon reading for vehicles or the energy label guide on your appliances. So there's no such thing for buildings. Just like when you shop for a vehicle, imagine there's no miles per gallon reading on the car. You have no clue how this car is compared against another car. So the fuel efficiency won't play a role in consumers' decision-making process. So same can be applied to building. However, building is way more complicated than a vehicle because every single building has its specific design features, lighting, mechanical system, and specific location. So there are so many things you can convert into a single number so that consumers or building owners, operators, or occupants or renters, they know the efficiency level of this building. In the past 2 years, we have been working with hundreds of stakeholders, piloted with hundreds of buildings to ensure that the tool that we are creating is powerful, reliable, easy to use, and transparent. So we have a set of standards. We also developed a rating tool, just make it easy. You don't have to do your own calculation. You enter your limited information into our tool, just like using TurboTax. So we create this step-by-step guide. You don't have to have deep knowledge for building energy efficiency. You don't have to be a professional engineer. You just need to know what is in your building, enter into the tool, and we give you a rough idea of how efficient your building is. On the other hand, if you want to create an official label with DOE seal on it, you do need to find accredited assessors to really give you this official paperwork. So we have this step 1 and step 2 process to meet the need of the majority of the market. Especially those smaller building owners, they don't really have any resources to hire anyone to do energy audit or energy improvement until they see the potential savings. We also give you a set of measures you can incorporate to improve your building efficiency with cost-effective investment. So it's not just telling you, you can do these. We also tell you, you will get payback. And then you receive a potential score. And we also do system evaluation and pinpoint to the potential areas that need attention. So 2 buildings may have the same score, but one may have better lighting system, the other may have better heating system. So that means differently to the building owners. It won't be just a single view of one agent or one individual or one aspect of a building. It will be a collective vision of any aspects you can think of related to building. For example, environment, water, resources, material, greenhouse gas emission, urban planning, and productivity and health. This vision is going to be powerful to make us work together towards a more sustainable future of our buildings.